begin, I'd like to say that I'm hearing impaired and I don't speak German language very well. So the name of the dances on some of them is hard for me to get the right pronunciation. So I'm going to have somebody for this particular dance tell you guys what's the name of this dance. So Chris, can you get on the microphone?
Sieben-Tritt.
Yeah. How many of you know this?
All right.
So we have a lot that don't know this, so that's good. So I'm going to start here. And everybody moving in the line, forward line of direction. And we are going to move forward in a leisurely motion, starting with the men's left foot and the women's right. And we are going to take 7 foot steps forward. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. The foot that you stamp with, you're going to go backwards with that foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. From there, we are going away from our partner. And we are going to do a Schottish variation. And as we go away, 1, 2, 3, lift, back to the partner, lift. But as you come back from the partner, you're getting ready to dance 4-step lift together. Step, 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 step. And we go away again. 1, 2, 3, lift, back, 2, 3, together. And then we move forward, starting all over again. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. And together. And 1, 2, 3, lift, back, 3, together. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Away. Back. Together. One more time. Away. Then back. Together. All right.
Any questions?
Wow, maybe you should be behind me.
Let's form a nice circle. All of a sudden we have a half a circle.
Yes. Full circle. Space out. Full circle.
All right, baby.
We can work on this circle now.
Okay, we're ready, Chris. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. we're gonna do is top parcel, top parser, cruise, polka. We'd like to do a demonstration first. So Roger, Megan, live.
Instead of two couples. Pick a partner.
Bob's teaching, so you don't have to, Roger. You ready for this?
I'm ready, Chris.
We're just gonna do a demo first.
Going to start with two couple facing each other.
Do you face in the middle or do you face the side and cross it over? Face more in the middle. When it starts to get faster, it's hard to get yourself all the way.
Of course. So what's like so everybody started out.
And he's gone.
Like this. So that was a four count. Switch, do we switch it? Same handling or I don't remember.
For the point start, I got my right hand to the partner in front of me. I'm grabbing her wrist.
Emily, middle, face towards the middle. There you go.
There you go.
With your right hand.
And you're facing each other kind of like almost.
Facing across your opposite woman or man.
Yeah.
Then we're going to start hopping on our left foot. And as we're doing this, we take our right foot a step across in front and step to the side. So it in and out. No, in. In, first. No, in first.
I don't understand.
Never done. I've never done.
Okay.
Yeah, 50% of a lot of food problems and
The first step is going across to your left foot. That would be the first step. Counting 1, and then you take that right foot and step to the side. That's 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step. And you take the left foot and cross right. 1 and out, in and out, across and out, and across and step. Anybody get that so far? Got it. Okay. Then we do the clap. There we go. 1, 2. We're going to the left, moving around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, clap the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, clap, clap. Now, I am going to elbow to the left corner. So you're doing it with the opposite partner. Go around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's fast. It's not even loud.
That's right, yeah.
The clap is 1, 2.
Do we change partners the second time?
Yes.
Okay.
Do your corner first.
Let's try it one more time.
Yes. That's right.
Let's try it at 7 o'clock. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 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 And you start over. And you form a star. Anybody get that so far? Yes. Any trouble?
He's always trouble.
Music gets faster, so fun.
And the limit on this is you need to have a couple of beers, but no more than
You want it one more time before you do it? Music? All right, one more time.
you need a couple over here.
It's okay, we're
Okay.
brilliant.
All right,
Excellent.
one more time in practice. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you fall over. All right.
We should do music. Yeah.
Okay. Keep in mind that sometimes the music is going to speed up a little. So it has different speeds. All right, Chris. Hold on, Chris.
I have none.
Everybody ready?
He's gonna get faster.
next dance we're going to do is Bolton Horse Mazurka. So the group is going to demonstrate first, and then we'll go with the teaching. So the group, come in, please. So it's just for the group. We're demonstrating.
We're gonna do a brief demo.
I'm gonna put the hat at the table. Right side.
It's okay. Okay.
I'm delinquent.
All right, Chris.
You ever know
Stop. Did anybody know this dance? I'm disappointed. All right. So, let's all get in a circle. Form a nice big circle, we're going to be in the middle. Alright. What I want to do is I want to take my partner to the opposite side of me. Going 1, 2, 3, and then we lift over 4, 5, 6, and we're facing the opposite direction. So I'll go back to the beginning. Some people are facing the wrong way. So the man should have the right hand over, left hand under with their partner. As I'm leading her, the key is the man should be leading their partner. So I'm going to take my right hand and I'm giving her a push to get around to the other side. And so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're facing the other way. As we face the first 1, 2, 3, we're facing the opposite direction. But for the second 4, 5, 6, we are turning to face the opposite direction. Anybody get that?
Yeah.
Let's try that again.
So the women make a half circle around their partner.
And the man basically.
Yes.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now.
Go ahead. Go ahead first. 1, 2, 3. After that, anyway, we do that twice. Let's do it one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're all facing the line of direction. Next time, the woman is going to do the first 1, 2, 3, coming around in front of their partner. So for the first 1, 2, 3, we're coming in front. And then you're going to turn the woman counterclockwise for the second 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep in mind to keep your hand up at the chin level. And then if the men turn, to turn individually under the woman's arm. And we turn to our left. 1, 2, 3. We don't stop right here. The men are going to keep going in that direction. And by ducking under the arms. So that was me for the second 4 or 5 steps. Now I'm going to turn my partner around to unravel. 1, 2, 3. I still have my right hand. And I'm going, for the second 1, 2, 3, I'm going to let go. I mean, the left hand, I should say. I'm dropping to the left hand. That's his turn for the second 2, 3, and then I grab her left hand to get into the pivot. So there would be 4 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we start over. So slowly, let's do it from the very beginning with the woman going in front of their partner. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. The woman turn. 4, 5, 6. Men turn. 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again.
We're at the beginning of the beginning. We were at the very
Yeah.
middle. So
Beginning of the middle. Beginning of the middle. All right.
The women go in front of the partner. 1, 2, 3. Women turn. 2, 3. Women stay right there. The men turn. 1, 2, 3. And keep going that direction. 4, 5, 6. Men turn. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to unravel. Turn the woman. 1, 2, 3. Let go to the left hand. 4, 5, 6. So you can get in there to the pivot. Anybody need help on that part? Yeah, she's turning clockwise. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's try one more time before we get. Woman coming in front. 1, 2, 3. Woman turn. Man turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woman turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And pivot, 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 pivot. Yes.
So when the women when the men go down and they're doing their turn, the women can come out a little to the outside of the circle, and that will help make it easier for the men to make their turn. So you can come out a little bit to accommodate them at that point.
Also, so that the men can take easy to pivot in the line of direction when you're going to the left. Raise your hand if you want to go over more on that. From the beginning. All right. We're going to go from the very beginning.
You keep going right from there. Yeah. There you go. Get together. There we go. And then you go straight from the out, and then from there. That's what we're doing. That's how we do that. Sure. I know. You want to talk that part, but it's weird. So, but once you get to it, it lets go of the left hand. It does.
Are you ready to start from the beginning?
From the very beginning. There we go. Woman's gonna go. We're making a half circle. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Women in front. 4, 5, 6. Then turn. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pivot. Pivot, 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 pivot. And we start over. No, we're 4 pivots. Try that again one more time. From the very beginning. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Women in front. 2, 3. 5, the men turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Women turn. 4, 5, 6, and pivot, 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 and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. After you finish the 4th pivot, you really got to get moving to start over. Let's try with the music. And now see.
Turn you this way and then I do mine.
Well, okay. So what happened when you come in front? And stay like that. And I go down. And you turn 1, 2, 3. I'm dropping my left hand. You keep turning. Fold open right here and hit. Oh, pivot. 1, 2. Go over up to the side. I forgot to mention that. Yes. I'm going to try one more time the demo. After the pivot, just to give you the ideas where I forgot to mention. So we do the 4 pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up 5, 6, and then you're side by side. It makes a big difference to start over. Just give a nice spread out big circle, and we'll do it one more time.
2 circles.
The recommendation is that people rather have 2 circles because so the one that really know it should come inside.
That's kind of what happens when you spin it. An inner circle.
2 circles. We're ready, Frank. Well, we still have lots of time left. So let's go from the very first dance. The follow? No, the previous. Well, I think somebody here, the first dance together before you leave, so do all 3 dances. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand, and back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stand. So 8, and back, together. So we're doing the first dance that I taught. Okay, Chris. Horser to polka needs a set of two couples facing each other.
Just play it slow, Chris. When we do it, we have like lines up.
Is there anybody in the group that have not done this dance? All right, Chris, go ahead and play. Alright, we'll go back to doing the last dance. Everybody line in the circle with their partners. Everybody get comfortable doing the second circle. You can come in. Each club can come up there and pick up a dance song for that, and you get the music to go with that too.
And thank you to Chris for the wonderful music for playing for us. So now we have a pop tutorial for the men.
Get yourself together, Ashley. Thank you for the wonderful. You're falling apart, Ashley. Do you need a beer or something?
Okay,